Good evening students. Today we are going to see that same exercise 3.7 continuation problem. A fifth question. Find the quotient and remainder for the following using synthetic division. The first two problem we saw the last class. Now we are going to see the third question. 3x cube minus 2x square plus 7x minus 5 divide x plus 3. Solution. The question is I am taken as p of x is equal to that 3x cube minus 2x square plus 7x minus 5 and divisor as name is q of x is equal to x plus 3. Already I told, first of all we should check that whether it is a standard form or not. So standard form is p of x is 3x cube minus 2x square plus 7x minus 5. In the question itself they given as a standard form. Then q of x is equal to x plus 3. First of all, we should find that x value. X plus 3 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 3. After that, by using synthetic division, find quotient. So here we should write that coefficient. What is this one? 3. This x square coefficient is minus 2. X coefficient is 7. This is constant term minus 5. We find that x value is minus 3 now. Here you should write. Here we should put 0. Always we should put 0. Then 3 plus 0 is 3. Then you should multiply. 3 into 3 is 9. Minus into plus is minus 9. Minus 2 minus 9. Both are same sign. You should add. That is minus 11. After that you should multiply. Minus 3 into minus 11 is plus 33. Then 7 plus 33 is 40. After that you should multiply these two. Minus 3 into 40 is minus 120. Here both are minus minus. So you should add, that is minus 125. This is what it is, a remainder. That one is remainder. So remaining this is quotient. So quotient is equal to 3x square minus 11x plus 40. And remainder is equal to minus 125. Fourth question, 8x power 4 minus 2x square plus 6x plus y divide 4x plus 1. The given question is we should write that is p of x is this one and this one is d of x. First of all we should say it is standard form. So standard form is p of x is equal to 8x power 4. Next we should have q term here. There is no q term. In the question there is no q term. So we should write that one as plus 0x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 5. Cube term after what you should have? Square term. It's there. Then x term also there. After that constant. Then d of x is equal to 4x plus 1. We should find that x value. That is 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to plus 1 comes this side. It is minus 1. Then x is equal to minus 1 by 4. So x value is minus 1 by 4. Then here you should write that quotient. X power coefficient is 8. X cube coefficient is 0. X square coefficient is minus 2. X coefficient is 6. This is 5. Here you should write minus 1 by 4. Always you should put here 0. So 8 plus 0 is 8. Then you multiply minus 1 by 4 into 8. So here it is a one number is a fraction format. So here I am using a rough column, that is minus 1 by 4 into 8. That is I have written. In 4 table if I cancel it is 1 time, this one is 2 times. So minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Minus 2. That can be written as here. Okay. Then 0 minus 2 is minus 2. After that you should multiply this one. Minus 1 by 4 into minus 2. That is I have written in the rough column. Minus 1 by 4 into minus 2. 2 table you cancel it is 1 time, this one is 2 times. So minus into minus plus. So answer you will get 1 by 2. That is here I have written. Then minus 2 plus 1 by 2. So plus it is a whole number. This one is a fraction format. So I am doing here of column minus 2 plus 1 by 2. Take LCM here. LCM is 2. So 2 into 2, that is cross multiplication. Minus 4 plus 1. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 by 2. That can be written as here. Then after that you should multiply minus 1 by 4 into minus 3 by 2. That's also I am doing in that rough column. See here, minus 1 by 4 into minus 3 by 2. Here not able to cancel, so directly multiply. Minus into minus plus, so 1 into 3 is 3. 4 2s are 8. So answer is 3 by 8. That is here I am written. 3 by 8. Then what here you should do? 6 plus 3 by 8. Here I am doing in that rough column. 6 plus 3 by 8. Cross multiplication. That is LCM is 8. 6 8s are 48 plus 3. The answer is 51 by 8. That is here I am written 51 by 8. Then you should multiply minus 1 by 4 into 51 by 8. Here I am written that one. Minus 1 by 4 into 51 by 8. Not able to cancel, so directly multiply. Here minus sign, this is plus. So you will get minus 1 into 51 is 51. 4 8s are 32. That is here I am written. Minus 51 by 32. Then simplify. 5 minus 51 by 32. Here cross multiplication. 5 into 32 is 160 minus 51 divided by 32. When you subtract, you will get 109 by 32. 109 by 32. That is, I am written here 109 by 32. The last number is always a remainder. So I mark that one as a remainder. How will you write this one is, listen here. This is a given question here I am written is equal to, here minus 1 by 4, no, that can be written as x plus 1 by 4 into, this is constant term, x term, square term, cube term. So that can be written as 8x cube minus 2x square minus 3 by 2x plus 51 by 8 plus 109 by 32. Then here see this cross multiply. So x into 4 is 4x plus 1 divided by 4. Here what I am doing is 1 4 is multiplying inside in the numerator and dividing the 4. That is multiplication 4 is I am written here and division 4 is inside I am written that one. See that each part 4 4 4, each term I am written 4 4 4 4. Then you should simplify here. This 4 get cancelled. So remaining you will get as 4x plus 1. Here it is 2 times in 4 table, that is 2x cube. Then here when you cancel it is 1, 2 table it is 2. So you will get 1 by 2 x square minus, here not able to cancel, so multiply 1 into 3 is 3, 4 2s are 8 x plus, here also not able to cancel, 1 into 51 is 51, 4 8s are 32 plus 109 by 32. Then here our question is they asking what is quotient and remainder. The quotient is this part, that is 2x cube plus minus 1 by 2x square minus 3 by 8x plus 51 by 32. That is quotient. Remainder is 109 by 32. Sixth question. If the quotient obtained on dividing 8x power 4 minus 2x square plus 6x minus 7 by 2x plus 1 is 4x cube plus px square minus qx plus 3. Then find p, q and also the remainder. Here see this question. Here this one is given as a question. This is a divisor. So divide and divisor is given. When you divide this part, you will get this format they given. That is, this is a quotient they given. By using this quotient, find the value of p, q and remainder. The question is, that is, dividend part is I am taken as p of x and divisor part is g of x. First of all, we should check whether it is standard form. So standard form is not or not, we should check that one. 8x power 4. Next you should have that cube term. Here is not given in our question, so you should write that one 0x cube. Next you should have that square term is there in the question. So write minus 2x square plus 6x minus 7. That is I am written. Then find the value of x. So d of x, that is 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. 2 2x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So x value is minus 1 by 2. Here I am written that is minus 1 by 2. In this side you should write that coefficient of each term. So 8, 0, minus 2, 6, minus 7. Here always put 0. So 8 plus 0 is 8. Then multiply minus 1 by 2 into 8. That can be written in our rough column, minus 1 by 2 into 8. 2 table if I cancel it is 4. So minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Here I am written that is minus 4. 0 minus 4 is minus 4. Again you should multiply minus 1 by 2 into minus 4. So in 2 table it is 1 time. This is 2 times. So both are minus. So it will come as plus. So 1 into 2 is 2. So here I am written that is 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So 0 into minus 1 by 2 is 0. Anything into 0 is 0. So 6 plus 0 is 6. Then multiply minus 1 by 2 into 6. Here I have written that one. In 2 table if I cancel it is 3. So minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. That is I have written here. Minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10. This is remainder, you know. Then how we should write for this? Here it is fraction form. The divisor comes in fraction format. Always write like this. So p of x is equal to, this is minus 1 by 2. So we can write that one as x plus 1 by 2 into, so remaining here this is a quotient, no? So how we should write? This is constant, x term, square term, cube term. So 8x cube minus 4x square plus 0x plus 6. The remainder is minus comes, so you should write here minus 10. Here cross multiplication. X into 2 is 2x plus 1 divided by 2. Here 2 is there, no? So you should take that 2 by 2. That is numerator 2 should be here. The denominator 2 is multiply in each term. So that one I am written here. This 2 cancel. So only I am written here. That is multiplication. Numerator 2 is should be right here. That is cancel. The denominator 2 should be inside. You should write. So 2x plus 1. So when you cancel this in 2 table it is 4x cube minus, here when you cancel in 2 table it is 2x square plus 0 by 2 is 0 plus 6 by 2 is cancel in 2 table, you will get 3 minus 10. So quotient is this. Our quotient is this one, 4x cube minus 2x square plus 0x plus 3. This is, we find that quotient. Next, and remainder is minus 10. Now question 1, quotient is they given. So this is quotient. What we find here, that is I am written here, is compared with the given quotient. That what is given quotient? In the quotient they given one quotient. That is I am written here 4x cube plus px square minus qx plus 3. So this is in the question they given that quotient. This is we find that quotient. Both the quotient you should compare. See that first cube term both are same. Next x square term you compare this one, here it is minus 2, here p. That means p value is minus 2. Next x term you compare, here 0, here it is minus q. 0 means what? Q value is 0. Then remainder is what we already find, no? The remainder is minus 10. Our question they telling to find only p, q and remainder. So you compare both the quotient, find the p and q value. Seventh question, if the quotient obtained on dividing 3x cube plus 11x square plus 34x plus 106 by x minus 3 is 3x square plus ax plus b. Then find a, b and also the remainder. This question is method of the same sixth problem. So the given is question is I am taken as p of x, that is I am written d of x is x minus 3. Then you should find that x value, that is x value is minus 3 means x value is 3. Then you should check the standard form. In the question it is standard form only. So it is 3x cube plus 11x square plus 34x plus 106. So here you should write that is x value 3 here I am written. Then coefficient of each term 3, 11, 34, 106. Here all are plus. So here I am written 0. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. 11 plus 9 is 20 into 3 is 60, 34 plus 60 is 94, 94 into 3 is, here you should write that is 282, when you add you will get that is 388, that is remainder. This is quotient, am I right? The quotient is 3x square plus 20x plus 94. This quotient is, we find that quotient. In the question itself, one quotient is given, that is here I am written. So both the quotient you should compare. So see here, square term the same. Here x term, when you compare in a place, here you are having 20, so a value is 20. Then b place, what you are having here, it is 94, so b value is 94. A remainder already we find here, that is 388.